Hey guys, it's Kenny with Flytime RC. I just wanted to show you guys some of the planes that I'm flying right now and some other projects that I have in the works and some of the other planes I've been holding on to from past projects. So these are my current 6 planes that I'm flying. I think this is the most planes that I've actually had working at once. Usually I'm stealing parts from one to make another, but I've got quite a few planes that I can actually fly right now. I have 3 FPV planes and 3 planes that I fly line of sight. The one I think I've had the longest, or pretty close to the longest, I think is this one. This is the GTV2. Some of you guys that have been watching the channel for a while probably recognize this from last fall. I built this, so it's been around for a little while. This is a big wing plane. 60-inch plane with a really tiny motor. So I think this is 1806 motor. It's a really small flight test motor. Runs off a 2-cell. It's a V-tail, and it's just a simple, really light plane. And it glides forever. Usually I can fly it for about 10 to 12 minutes on, I think it's an 800 milliamp 2-cell. And I might actually be upgrading this soon. I want to get a different prop and maybe a slightly bigger battery so I can fly a little longer. But there's the GTV2, and then the high tail here. This is the first plane like it that I ever built with the high tail. This is another not super fast plane. I fly this on 3-cell, and it's got another flight test motor. It's not sure what size this is. Not a real big motor, but it's got a fast prop on it. It's got an 8x8 prop on it. So this is about a 55, 60 mile an hour plane. But it's something I can fly again for about 10 minutes. It does really good. It's kind of a glider. It's pretty light, but it's kind of a glider setup. I believe this one has a 42-inch wingspan, but it's nice and small and light. This is the newest edition that I actually just built today. This is the new Spicy Nacho. It's a mini FPV plane with the O3 air unit on it, running 3-cell with a really fast motor, 2500 kV motor. This is about a 70 mile an hour plane, 70, 75. Pretty fast plane. Then we have probably my most well-known plane, the 90-inch V-tail. This monster, 90-inch wide, running the DJI O4 Air Unit Pro. This plane I've gone as far out as 4.1 miles out, and then obviously back again. So this is my long-range plane that runs dual 3300 milliamp 4-cell batteries, which I actually plan on upgrading soon to probably a single 9,000 milliamp battery so I can fly even longer. This is a somewhat new addition. I've actually had this Flight Test Scout XL for about 2 years. It was actually one of the first planes I ever built from Flight Test. I think maybe like the third one. And I was super excited about it. I built it. It was the biggest plane I had ever built at the time. And during this point, this was probably 3 months after I had started building my own planes. And I just got so into building my own planes that I never actually flew this. It just hung in my garage for about 2 years. I stole the power pack off it, the whole motor, but I left all the servos inside so that someday I could do something with it. I ended up just recently putting this big old 2826 1030 kV badass motor on it, currently with a 12x4 prop, although this motor can handle a much bigger prop. I'll probably put a 13x5 on there, something to make it go a little faster, but it's already crazy overpowered right now, and more than fast enough. This is actually going to turn out to be a pretty sweet 3D plane, so I'm looking forward to flying this thing a lot more. And then another new addition is my first Delta Wing. So this is a plane without a tail. I do have the vertical stabilizer there, but this is my first Delta Wing build. This thing is just awesome. Again, running the O3 air unit, and this is running not a super fast motor either, but this is still a fast plane. It's got a 2320 1090 kV motor with a 10x5 prop on there, and this plane will do about 75 miles an hour. And I do have another prop that can go faster potentially, but I think I might just keep running it like this because I'm getting around 10 to 12 minutes of flight time with it, depending on how hard I fly, but 12 minutes is pretty good. I think it's plenty. I got tons of batteries, so I can fly for a while anyways. But that's a new addition. But these are my main planes that I'm flying right now. I need to do some videos on the 90-inch VTOL. Again, it's probably my most popular plane. It's my biggest plane. Lots of people want to know about it, so I need to do just a talking video about it, talk about the construction, some of the plans that I came up with, how I built it, because it's a cool plane that a lot of people want to try to build themselves. But I'm sure some of these planes, a lot of you guys might be interested. I have kind of a little bit of everything. There's something for everybody here, and all these planes are a blast to fly. But I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the planes that I'm flying right now. I have some other planes that are hanging on the wall, some projects that I've had from the past, some planes that are planes that I have flown, but I've stole parts from, and they're kind of waiting to get new parts. And then I have at least one project hanging on the wall, something that I've had going for, geez, about a year now, and I've just never finished it. So I'll do another video soon talking to you guys about that. But for now, we'll see you guys in the next one.